Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss a membership operators available in Python. So in Python, two different membership operators are available. First one is in operator and second one is not in operator. So as the name suggests, not in is opposite to in. Okay, and common thing in between these two operators is both of them return a boolean value. Both in and not in returns a boolean value. Boolean value means we all know that they will either return true or return false. So here see description of in is given. In returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. Otherwise this will return false, and not in opposite to in, that is returns true. Not in returns true if a sequence with a specified value is not present in the object. Okay, now let us discuss one example here. Here see, here I have defined one list. Okay, in this list I have stored two different values. So first one is Amit and second one is Amol. Now if I want to check whether Amit is present in given list or not, then how to write code here for that? See here, we have to write it like this. We have to check whether Amit is present in the given list or not. We have to just write like this. In, what is the list name? List name is N here. N. Okay. So what output we are expecting here? Amit is present in the list N. So this print has to display result as true. Okay. Now let us verify out. Let us verify output. Okay. See here, we are getting result as true because Amit here, which operator we use? We use in membership operator, and we check whether Amit is present in N or not. So we know that here Amit is present. That's why it is returning true. Okay. Now if I write here, suppose Amit Raj. Okay, now this element is not present in this list. Amit is present, but Amit Raj is not present. Okay, so if this is the case, then this in operator returns false result. Okay, so let us verify. See here, we are getting result as false. Okay, now here instead of in, if I use not in, now how this will just check? It will just check whether Amit Raj is not present in N. Yes, it is not present in N. So that's why this print will return result true here for this, because in between we use not in. So Amit Raj is not present in N. So that's why it is returning result as true. Now here if I modify this, here if I write like this, Amit, whether Amit not in N, actually Amit is present in N, but here we have used not in. So this will return result as false because Amit is present in N. Amit not in N is false. So it has to return a result false. Let us verify output. See here, we are getting output as false. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point, how to use membership operator in Python program. Okay, so that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates.